lot of people ask, and we all want happiness in our lives. So we ask, how can I find more happiness? How can I get to happiness? And I love the Dalai Lama's response to this, where he says, there's no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. What does that mean? That means that happiness is all around us. Positive emotions, being satisfied with moments in our lives, finding meaning and purpose and connection. These are all elements of happiness. So take a look around you or be aware. Is there a moment you're smiling? Is there a moment you feel uplifted? Is there a moment you find beauty? And is there a moment of connection? Is there something meaningful to you? When you have that moment, because I promise you they're happening on and off all the time. There's also a tough moment, but we're looking at this right now. And you say to yourself three things. You say, this is a good moment. You're naming it. And then you say, in life, there are good moments. You're kind of stamping it in right now to your memory. And then you say, I'm just going to allow myself to enjoy it. That's it. Rinse and repeat that awareness, and you'll find that you'll start remembering happier memories, and you'll find yourself more uplifted throughout the days, weeks, and months ahead.